Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. In today's video, we're diving into 10 of the most reliable SUVs of 2025, all backed by Consumer Reports. Whether you're after peace of mind, low maintenance, or a ride that'll stick with you through thick and thin, these SUVs are rock solid. From family-friendly comfort to rugged off-road beasts, we've got it all covered. So buckle up and get ready to find the perfect SUV that you'll never regret buying. Smash the like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's hit the road. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 remains a reliability legend, and it's easy to see why. This compact SUV scores near perfect marks in Consumer Reports reliability rankings year after year. Under the hood, it offers a smooth 2.5 liters, 4-cylinder engine or an available hybrid powertrain that delivers up to 41 mpg in the city, making it not just reliable, but fuel efficient too. Inside, the cabin is comfortable, practical, and family-friendly. Toyota has refined its infotainment system with a larger 10.5-inch display and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and blind spot monitoring, all standard. But what really makes the RAV4 stand out is its long-term dependability. Owners report minimal issues even after 5 years, and maintenance costs remain impressively low. Plus, resale value stays strong thanks to Toyota's brand reputation. Whether you're a solo commuter, a small family, or someone who just wants a worry-free ride, the 2025 RAV4 offers an unbeatable balance of efficiency, reliability, and safety. For anyone shopping smart, this SUV tops the list of vehicles you'll never regret owning. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has always been a crowd favorite, and the 2025 model proves once again why it's one of the most trusted compact SUVs on the market. Scoring exceptionally high in Consumer Reports reliability and owner satisfaction ratings, this SUV delivers a smooth, no-hassle experience from day one. Under the hood, you get a capable 1.5 liters turbocharged engine or an upgraded hybrid model that pushes fuel economy up to 40 mpg combined. Performance is smooth with seamless gear shifts and responsive handling. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done every single time. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and functionality. You'll find generous cargo space, premium materials and higher trims, and a redesigned dashboard with a 9-inch touchscreen that feels intuitive and fast. The CR-V also comes with Honda Sensing Registered Standard, including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Maintenance costs are low, parts are widely available, and resale value stays strong, especially for the hybrid model. What makes the CR-V truly special is its consistency. It's not a gamble. It's a safe, smart investment that owners swear by. If you want something that's reliable, affordable, efficient, and easy to live with, the CR-V is an SUV you'll thank yourself for buying even a decade later. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. Mazda might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think reliability, but the 2025 CX-5 changes that narrative. It ranks among the top in Consumer Reports for mechanical dependability, while delivering the kind of driving experience you'd expect from a luxury brand without the luxury price tag. Let's start with the engine. The base 2.5 liters naturally aspirated engine offers decent power, but the turbocharged version really shines with up to 256 horsepower. It's smooth, quiet, and engaging, perfect for drivers who still love the feel of the road. Where the CX-5 really scores big is in the cabin. It's upscale, refined, and surprisingly luxurious for the price. Think real stitching on the dashboard, supportive seats, and near-silent highway cruising. The infotainment system is controlled via a rotary dial, which some people prefer for its distraction-free simplicity. Advanced safety features are standard, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Plus, Mazda has improved rust resistance and build quality year over year, making this model one of the best yet. Owners report very few issues even at high mileage, and it's widely praised for having excellent dealer service and low annual repair bills. The CX-5 proves you don't have to sacrifice reliability for style or fun. It's a hidden gem that feels more expensive than it is, and it'll stick with you for years to come. Number 4. Subaru Outback. If you're the outdoorsy type or just someone who wants year-round peace of mind, the 2025 Subaru Outback deserves a serious look. With standard all-wheel drive, a bulletproof reputation, and top scores from Consumer Reports, it's one of the most dependable SUVs money can buy. This year's model includes 2 powertrain options, a 2.5 liters flat-4 or a more powerful 2.4 liters turbocharged engine. Both are paired with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, which provides smooth performance and decent fuel economy for an all-wheel drive SUV up to 33 mpg highway. What sets the Outback apart is its go-anywhere nature. Ground clearance is higher than most rivals, and it's perfect for everything from weekend camping to snowy commutes. The interior features a massive 11.6-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a spacious cargo area that rivals midsize SUVs. Subaru's EyeSight registered safety suite is standard across all trims, offering adaptive cruise, pre-collision braking, and lane centering. Add that to its solid build and long-lasting components, and you've got a vehicle that keeps going long after others call it quits. Whether you're driving through city streets or rough terrain, the 2025 Outback delivers reliability, versatility, and safety in one stylish package. It's a long-term companion you won't regret bringing home. Number 5. Lexus RX 350. Looking for luxury without the maintenance headaches? The 2025 Lexus RX 350 is your answer. Renowned for its bulletproof reliability and silky smooth ride, this mid-size luxury SUV is a Consumer Reports darling and a favorite among long-term owners. Power comes from a 2.4 liters turbocharged engine that balances performance and fuel economy, while the RX's hybrid variant pushes efficiency even further. It's whisper quiet, buttery on the highway, and tuned for comfort over performance, which is exactly what many luxury buyers want. Inside, the Lexus RX 350 oozes class. You get plush seating, high-end finishes, and an all-new infotainment system that finally ditches the old touchpad in favor of a slick 14-inch touchscreen with voice assistant and wireless smartphone support. Lexus also steps it up in safety. You'll get the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 standard, which includes everything from proactive driving assist to advanced lane departure alert and pedestrian detection. But the real story is longevity. Lexus models are known to last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal repairs, and the RX is no exception. Owners rave about low maintenance, excellent resale value, and incredible dealer service. In short, if you want a luxury SUV that's worry-free and built to last, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 is the gold standard. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe may not have the same long-standing reputation as Toyota or Honda, but it's quickly becoming a serious contender in the reliability game. Consumer Reports has consistently praised the Santa Fe's durability, and this year's redesign makes it better than ever. The 2025 model sports a bold new look and comes with multiple engine options, including a 2.5 liters turbocharged engine and a hybrid setup. Both offer smooth acceleration, great fuel economy, and low maintenance costs, making them ideal for long-term ownership. Inside, the Santa Fe is tech-loaded. You get dual 12.3-inch displays, premium finishes, and a ton of room for passengers and cargo. It feels upscale without breaking the bank. Plus, Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite includes highway driving assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, standard on most trims. One of the best parts? Hyundai's unbeatable 10-year/100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That alone provides massive peace of mind and makes this SUV one of the best values in the industry. Owners report high satisfaction, low repair rates, and excellent performance even after years of use. With its stunning redesign and improved build quality, the 2025 Santa Fe is a smart pick for families or commuters who want a stylish, dependable SUV that won't let them down. Number 7. Kia Telluride. The 2025 Kia Telluride continues its reign as one of the most impressive midsize SUVs, not just for style or features, but for outstanding reliability. Backed by high consumer report scores, the Telluride proves you don't need a luxury badge for a top-tier experience. Under the hood is a powerful 3.8 liters V6 engine delivering 291 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and handles highway cruising like a dream. Whether you're hauling the family or heading out for a road trip, the Telluride feels solid, confident, and ready for anything. Inside, this SUV punches above its weight. You get 3 spacious rows, ventilated seats, soft touch materials, and a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Rear passengers even get USB ports and optional captain's chairs for max comfort. Kia includes a full suite of safety tech, blind spot view monitor, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and safe exit assist. The ride is quiet, the cabin stays cool even on long drives, and visibility is excellent from all angles. One of the biggest selling points? Kia's unbeatable 10-year/100,000-mile warranty. It's a bold statement of confidence and real peace of mind for buyers. With strong resale value, low cost of ownership, and a long-standing reputation for dependability, the 2025 Kia Telluride is an SUV you'll feel proud to own for years to come. Number 8. Toyota Highlander. The 2025 Toyota Highlander is a top-tier midsize SUV that blends rock-solid reliability with family-friendly functionality. Consistently ranking high in Consumer Reports' dependability ratings, this SUV is the go-to choice for drivers who want long-term peace of mind. Under the hood, you get a 2.4 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering smooth performance with solid fuel economy. If you're looking for even more efficiency, the Highlander Hybrid offers up to 36 mpg combined, rare for a 3-row SUV. Inside, Toyota has stepped up its game with a spacious, tech-savvy interior. The available 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and JBL premium audio system provide a modern driving experience, while tri-zone climate control and sliding second-row seats keep passengers comfortable. Of course, Toyota's Safety Sense trademark is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and more. The Highlander also boasts excellent crash test scores and above-average resale value. Maintenance costs are low, reliability is high, and you'll find countless real-world examples of Highlanders going 200,000-plus miles without major issues. Whether you need room for a growing family or just want a dependable all-rounder, the Highlander is one of the safest bets in 2025. It's practical, stylish, and built to last, a rare combination that makes the Highlander an SUV you'll never regret owning. Number 9. Ford Escape Hybrid. The 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid has earned its place on this list not just for its fuel efficiency, but also for its proven reliability and low ownership costs. Consumer Reports gives this compact SUV high marks for mechanical dependability and user satisfaction, and it's easy to see why. This Escape combines a 2.5 liters Atkinson cycle engine with an electric motor for a total system output of 200 horsepower. That may not sound like much, but the real magic is in the fuel economy, over 40 mpg in mixed driving. It's ideal for daily commuters or families looking to save at the pump. The 2025 redesign brings a sleek, more aerodynamic shape with a refreshed front grille and modern lighting. Inside, you'll find a clean layout with a new 13.2-inch touchscreen, Sync 4 infotainment, and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and the cargo area is surprisingly spacious for a compact SUV. Ford Copilot 360 comes standard, offering blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist, and lane-keeping systems to keep you safe on the road. The Escape Hybrid also benefits from Ford's simplified hybrid system design, which reduces mechanical complexity and the chance of failure. It's efficient, reliable, and offers all the features most buyers want without the steep price tag. For those looking to go green without sacrificing peace of mind, the 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid is a smart, dependable choice. Number 10. Chevrolet Traverse. Rounding out our list is the redesigned 2025 Chevrolet Traverse, a full-size SUV that's as practical as it is dependable. With improved build quality and strong Consumer Reports reliability ratings, The new Traverse offers something rare, lots of space and long-term peace of mind. The 2025 Traverse gets a major overhaul with bolder styling, a new 2.5 liters turbocharged engine replacing the old V6, and a refined 8-speed transmission. Power delivery is smooth, and you'll notice improved fuel economy and quieter performance across the board. Inside, you'll find one of the roomiest cabins in the segment. There's seating for up to 8, plenty of legroom in all 3 rows, and a max cargo capacity that beats most rivals. The new 17.7-inch touchscreen takes center stage on the dash, paired with a digital gauge cluster and enhanced connectivity features. Chevy's Safety Assist is now standard, including forward collision alert, pedestrian braking, lane keep assist, and IntelliBeam headlights. The Traverse also shines when it comes to family friendliness, with rear seat reminder, surround view cameras, and USB ports for every row. Where it really earns its spot, though, is long-term reliability. Owners report few serious issues over time, and Chevrolet has significantly improved service quality and parts availability. The Traverse is no longer just a big SUV, it's a smart, worry-free choice for large families and road trip enthusiasts alike. And there you have it, 10 SUVs so reliable, you'll never second-guess your purchase. Backed by Consumer Reports and loved by real owners, these vehicles go the distance, literally and figuratively. Whether you're after comfort, off-road capability, family space, or just fewer trips to the mechanic, one of these SUVs is bound to be your perfect match. Let us know in the comments, which one would you drive home today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more expert car picks and no-nonsense reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.